Hello everybody, how are you? I hope everything is well with you today. We are nearly almost there. In a few days time, six figure side hustles will be released and you can watch the first episode. This video is actually a preview of episode 8. So what is in episode 8? Before I get to that, do hang around to the end, because at the end I'll be revealing a free guide and what is in that free guide that you can get today and how you can start your side hustle straight away. So what is in episode 8? It's going to be about more real estate riches. We've spoken about that before, but there's other ways to make money from real estate. We're going to be speaking about Amazon again and how to make millions from Amazon, and also life and money hacks. I'm intrigued to see what that's about. Well, we know what it's about. It's about hacks, successful hacks to do with living and money. But who is the entrepreneur that will be speaking about that? Let's see. Firstly, it's Robert G. Allen who will be speaking about real estate riches. So it's called More Real Estate Riches because in yesterday's preview there was somebody else speaking about real estate money that you can make. But this is someone else with more ideas about how you can make money from real estate. So how to win in today's hyper competitive real estate markets by using specific strategies that have never existed before. He'll also be revealing the 2 biggest mistakes that newbie investors make and how to keep from screwing up on your first deal, and the 5 questions you must ask every property owner to discover whether you have a deal or not. And there's a massive difference between houses and commercial buildings, and why understanding this simple principle can help you make millions in markets where house deals don't pay off. Then you've got Jason Katzenback and Michael McClary, and they're going to be speaking to us about Amazon Millions, how to make 6 figures in a year or even a month in just 1 to 2 hours a day selling on Amazon without manufacturing a single item, and a simple 2-pronged strategy to hit the top of the listings in a couple of weeks where you capture the most sales. They're going to be revealing the dirty little secret of the manufacturing world that big brands hope you never find out, because then you'll have access to their exact same products that they pretend that are theirs at wholesale prices. And finally, they'll be revealing a hidden Amazon listing field that most people don't even know exist, that will get your product exposure far beyond just the primary search terms for your product. Tweaking this increased the sales of one of their students by over 20% overnight. And the third entrepreneur that will be revealing their secret side hustle hacks, well, I'll tell you in 1 second, but before I do, if you do like this video, you think I've given you some value, do tap on the like button. You can also subscribe as well, or even tap on the notification bell, and then you'll be notified for every single video that I do, the next one of which is tomorrow, which will be my preview of episode 9, the final episode in the 6 Figure Side Hustles Docuseries. So Rick Sapio is our third entrepreneur, life and money success hacks. All right, so what is that about? How to break out of unconscious habits that make up 95% of our daily activities, so that you establish new patterns that lead to better outcomes. This is the key to breaking through financial ceilings and achieving the next level of freedom. He'll be telling you what's the difference between the wealthiest 1% and everybody else. The answer will surprise you. If you make this simple but not easy change, the money will follow. Finally, what is leverage? Understanding the answer to that question will increase and accelerate your results beyond what you can imagine, and simplify your life while increasing the odds that you succeed in your side hustle business. And that is it for this preview of episode 8. Tomorrow there'll be episode 9 for you to watch. But before I go, let me tell you, there is a free guide called the 3 AI Side Hustles Anyone Can Start. And that is yours right now. All you need to do is tap on the link below, You'll get that free guide. You'll also get access to the 6 Figure Side Hustles. Remember, that starts in a few days' time, May 23rd, and it's 7 p.m. That's when it starts. That's in America time, East time. But if you're in England, don't worry, 24 hours it will be replayed. So you've got 24 hours to watch the first episode. And in fact, every single episode, you've got 24 hours. But after that 24 hours, it's off. All right? So make sure you watch. So until tomorrow, you guys take care. Thank you for watching, and I will see you then. Bye-bye.